Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn statistics fast updated. Start by mastering core concepts like probability, distributions, and sampling, then practice with short projects using real data to build intuition. Work in focus sessions, review mistakes, and recreate key analyses from scratch. Pair visuals with simple code or calculators to see patterns emerge. Stay consistent, ask questions, and track progress so you improve steadily and efficiently. Choose a few high-impact topics each week and study them in short, focused sessions that reinforce memory without burnout. Build mini projects that answer real questions and repeat key formulas using spaced review to cement recall. Mix reading, videos, and hands-on practice so you engage multiple senses. Track what works and adjust pacing, making sure you balance new concepts with regular review to retain more and move faster overall. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more concise study tips and tutorials. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker you saw earlier, which makes playing example audio and setting timers effortless during practice sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can try one yourself. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start with approachable tools like R or Python and learn a few commands that handle data import, summary statistics, and plotting so you can test ideas quickly. Pair tutorials with a concise textbook or short videos for different perspectives. Join study groups or find a mentor to explain tricky concepts and give feedback on projects. Practical repetition with tools and people accelerates understanding and keeps motivation high as you progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.